Ayan mga kabalayog, bali maglalaro yung team natin. Ayan, first game sa liga na to mga kabalayog.
Pass to number 12. Number 12, pass to number 12. Foul on number 19. Number 19. First personal foul on number 19. First team foul. Good hit. Number 2. Number 2, pass to number 0. Number 0. Pass to number 28. Pass to number 2. Number 2, blocked by number 19. Out of bounds. 11, 10, 9. Reset shot clock. Rebound by number 19. Number 19. Number 14. Side step. Pass to Mondragon. Mondragon. Pass. Yeah. 2 goals by Mondragon. Official time, 7 minutes, 25 seconds. Number 2. Number 2. Nagmamadali number 2. Pass to number 28. Binigay ka number 13. Number 13. Dalawa. Nice pass. Pass break. Binigay number 0. Number 0. Number 0, wala. Number 38, pinili ka na. Number 2, number 2, last still, number 14. Pass break to number 0, number 0, wala. Number 0, 2 points by number 0. Official score, all 4. Number 2, pass to number 0. 0, last team number 1, pass to number 21. Number 21. Number 21. Number 21. Number 21 pinilit, pass sa liyan. Kaya naman. Number 21. 6-4 ang ating lakan. Official time, 6 minutes, 15 seconds of remaining. Number 2, pass to number 12, number 12, side step, number 12, wala. Nakakuha ni number 0, number 0, number 0, nagmamadali. Number 0, pinasa number 19, number 19, pass up lahat. Number 2, nagmamadali number 2. Number 10 na still ni number 20, pass to number 19. Number 19, number 19. Number 19, last still na ni number 0. Number 0. Pass to number 13. Number 13, wala. Rebound by Mondragon, number 20, Mondragon. Sub. Substitution. Number 14, pass to number 29. Number 29. Number 29, wala. Number 21. Number 21, nagmamadali. May foul yan. Sumawit si number 29. Out of shooting, 2 free throws for number 21. First free throw is good. Binigay number 2. Number 2. Steal ni number 14. Binigay ka number 0. Out of bounds. Number 20. Binigay number 2. Na steal number 2. Number 2. Deadlock tayo. 8. Square all 8. Number 20. Out of bounds. Number 2. Number 2. Pinasa kayo number 12. Number 12. Last year number 0. Number 0. Morales. Pass to number 21. Follow number 12. Sub. Both teams second good fouls. 2 free throws. First free throw kasabihan. Second charity. Dalawa. Ating score 10-8 in favor of Goodyear. Number 2 pass to number 9 for Pita. Pass number 2. Wala. Nariban ni number 13. Number 14 pass to number 20. Mondragon number 20. Number 20 inaaras ni number 2. Number 20. Pass to number 28. Wala. Rebound by number 21. Number 21 pass to number 2. Number 2. 2-4-2-1. Morales, last game number 21, pass to number 2. Pass break to number 2. Number 2, pass again. Number 12. Throw, 12-10. Lamang naman po ngayon ang natin. Number 29, pass to number 0. Number 0, Morales pass to Mondragon. To number 29. Number 29 last steal yan. Nakulit ang 29. Binigay ka number 21. Number 21. Go 2. Number 29. To number 7. Number 7. Tumira ulang. Rebound by number 21. Binigay ka number 9. Number 9. Number 9. Foul. 2 personal foul on number 14. First team foul Goodyear. First free throw pasok yan by number 9. Second charity. Split charity by number 9. Goodyear basketball. Dribble by number 19. Number 29. By number 29. Score natin 20-40 in favor of Taytong. Bernay, number 2. Reaching foul on number 21. 13 foul, sorry. Number 21. Number 7. Pass to number 29. Number 29 to number 7. Pass number 20, Mondragon. Rebound by number 21. Binigay kay number 9. Number 9 to number 2, Bernay. Foul. Offensive foul on number 2. Number 20. Number 20, Deguasa. Number 20, Mondragon. 2 points by Mondragon. 19. Number 19. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Pass break number 9. Number 9 ulit, nagmamadali. Binigay kay number 13. Number 13. Number 13. 2 points by number 13. 8 points lead by Tatum. Number 19. Number 19. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Tumira, wala. Nakakuha na yung number 9. Number 9, binigay yung number 13. May kasama pang foul. Basket count plus 1 free throw. 13 foul dito. Number 20, Mondragon. To number 21, Imersa. Number 21, naiwan niya number 12. Number 12 ng mga tali, number 12. Binigay kay number 28. Binigay naman kay number 2, number 2. Bernard to number 0. To number 13, yung number 28. Pasok yan. Number 20, Mondragon, wala. To number 0, pasok yan. 18-13, official score in favor of Tatum. Number 0, nakuha ni number 20, Mondragon. Number 20, reaching foul, the teams. Number 20, to number 19, number 19, wala. Depende number 21. Nakuha ni number 19. By number 12, pass break yan. By number 28, number 28, easy 2 points by number 28. To number 21. Official score. 32-18. Number 2, Bernard, nagmamadali ang pass to number 13 yun, number 13. League by Tatum. Still number 2, Bernard. Nakakuha na naman si Bernard. Binigay kay number 28, number 28. 2 points by number 28. And 35 seconds remaining for the second quarter. Number 20, Mondragon. Foul, number 12. Sabrek. Number 20, foul. Number 12, Tatum. 2 free throws for Mondragon. Final charity. Wala. Rebound by number 12. Number 12. To number 2. Number 2 pass break to number 20. Wala. Rebound by number 20. Number 20. To number 0. Number 0. 2 points. Second quarter. Number 9. Na still ni number 21. Number 21 nagmamadali. Number 21. Number 21 tumira. Pasok yan. 2 points by number 21. Number 19 Feliciano. Feliciano tumira ng 3 points by number 19. Rebound by number 21. Pass break to number 0. Number
Nice.
0. 2 points by number 0. number 2, Bernay. Si number 0 to number 9. Pinalik kay Bernay. Bernay, wala. Bernay pa rin. 2 points yan, Bernay. One minute and 35 seconds. Number 0 rebound.
Nice
2
one.
points by number 0. Exactly 50 seconds remaining. Seconds. Exactly 12 seconds remaining. Good. 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright mga kabulag, tapos na yung first half. Time out muna ngayon. Score update po mga kabulag. Goodyear is 31 and Tatong is 42. Second half na mga kabulag, second half.
Kasi wala tayong naghahabol. Pasok mo, Ted. Pasok mo ako sa puso mo.
Ay, ito yung pinakamalakas eh.
Wala. Tanda na.
May hangover eh.
Ewan ko ya. Wala ba kayong magkama?
Number 0. Number 0 to number 2. Pass to number 13. Number 13 to number 21. Foul. Who's fouled up? Number 0. Morales. First personal foul on Morales. First team foul. Number 21. Number 21, wala. Ilan ba number 21 sa kabila? To number 13, number 13, wala pa rin. Puro ba yung number 19? Number 19, number 19, wala. Ilan ba yung number 13? To number 1. Number 1, De Los Santos. Number 1, 2 points by number 1, De Los Santos. Number 20, Mondragon. Number 20, wala. Rebound by number 1. Number 1, mga dali. So number 13, yun. Binalik kay number 2. Number 1. Tuloy number 13. Binigay kay number 2. Number 2, foul. And number 0, Morales. Good team, second game foul. 7 minutes and 30 seconds. First charity is good by number 2. Second free throw. Dalawa. 2 for 2. 1 for 2.
Oo, tumatalon po.
38-41 in favor
Sa atin
of
wala.
Tattoo.
Bata pero pinatukan. Dito.
Number 24 Marsa, foul on number 21. Number 21. Rebound by number 14. 2 points by number 14. Number 0, Tenorio. Tenorio. Still number 19. Number 19 nagmamadali. Number 19. Wala. Rebound by number 21. Binigay 19. Number 19. 2 points by number 19. Number 21. Number 2. 3 seconds. Tama ba? Tama. $50-37. Favor of Tattoo. Number 2. Binigay ka number 13. Number 19. Nakuha na number 19. Number 19 is pass number 0. Out of bounds. Nice. Number 9. Binigay kay nakakuha ni Mondragon. Binigay kay Morales. Binigay kay number 14. Muntik na naman mapasahan sa rep. Number 21. Wala. Binigay kay number 2. Number 2. Points by number 2. Number 0. Number 19. 2 points by number 19. Number 2. Number 13 iyo. Number 13. Masagyan ng iyo. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 40 seconds for the third quarter. Number 0. Number 0, Tumira Andres, wala. Nakakuha ni number 9. Number 9, ito number 2. Number 2, 2 points by Bernait. Number 2. 56-41. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Arman Mandico. Number 21. Wala. Naribol number 13. Cabret. Warning for penalty. Number 28. Number 9. Number 12. Number 12. Foul on number 12. Warning for penalty. Number 14. To number 21. Number 21 Pumesa. Number 21 wala. Nakuha pa rin number 21. Number 21. Tinira ulit na number 21. Wala pa rin. Out of bounds. Official score. Foul number 19. Number 19. Sabrep. Number 9. First free throw. Pasok. Mag-tuck-in ko tayo mga sir. Mag-tuck-in. Second charity. Pasok pa rin yan. Number 28. Wala. Iba na number 21. To number 24. Number 24. Exactly 1 minute to play. 16. 41, official score. Mondragon for 2. Wala. Rebound by number 24. Binigay ko ng 21. Number 21 nagmamadali. Number 21, binigay. Wala. Number 20. Exactly 14 seconds. Rebound by number 28. 30 seconds. 2 points by number 21. De Los Santos, number 1. Number 1, 2 points by number 1. De Los Santos. Number 20. Number 25. And number 1, De Los Santos. Third personal foul on number 1. First team foul, Tatong. Number 29. To number 21. Nakuha ni number 20. Number 20. Na-steal naman ni number 28. To number 2. Number 2, Bernait. Binigay ka number 1. Binigay Bernait. Wala pa rin. 2 points by number 2. Number 9. To number 20. Number 20, Mondragon, 2 points. Number 12, wala. Rebound by number 2. Number 2, wala pa rin. Number 2. Foul. Number 20. Nagmamadali number 20. Easy 2 points. Yeah, number 20. Number 20. 2 points by Mondragon. 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Number 9. Number 9. To number 0, Tinario. To number 1, De Los Santos. De Los Santos. De Los Santos, drive. Naribaw niya Mondragon. To number 19. 3 minutes and 50 seconds.
Kuha, labas, ha? Uli.
28. 2 points by number 28. To number 19. Number 19. Number 19. Time! Tatong.
Final score po mga kablayog is 7-7.
Ito sa bilag, sa bilag. Bong, picture mo kami. Bong. O yan, 1, 2, 3.